TRV Tailor 803. TRV Tailor 803 was one of 3 torpedo recovery vessels operated by the Royal Australian Navy RAN and Defence Maritime Services DMS. Ordered in 1969, the vessel, originally identified as TRV 255, was completed in 1971 and assigned to the naval base HMAS Waterhen in Sydney. The ship received a name and the pennant number TRV 803 in 1983. In 1988, the 3 vessels were sold to DMS. Tailor was assigned to the naval base HMAS Creswell in Western Australia. Tailor was decommissioned in 2018. Design and construction. The class was ordered in 1969 as replacements for World War II-era torpedo recovery vessels. The vessels each have a full load displacement of 94 long tons 96 ft, a length of 26.8 meters 88 ft, a beam of 6.1 meters 20 ft, and a draft of 1.1 meters 3 ft 7 in. Propulsion machinery consists of 3 GM Vate diesels, which supply 890 horsepower 660 kW to the 3 propeller shafts. Top speed is 9.5 knots 17.6 km/h 10.9 mph, and the vessels have an endurance of 63 hours at 8 knots 15 km/h 9.2 mph. Each fish-class vessel can recover up to 8 torpedoes via watertight stern gate. They are unarmed, and their sensor suite is limited to an I-band navigational radar. 9 personnel make up the crew. 3 vessels were built at Williamstown Dockyard for the Royal Australian Navy, with TRV 255 completed in April 1971. Operational history. On entering service, TRV 255 was assigned to the naval base HMAS Waterhen in Sydney. In addition to torpedo recovery, the vessels were used as dive tenders and as training vessels for the Royal Australian Naval Reserve. In 1983, the boats were named and redesignated, with TRV 255 become Tailor with the pennant number TRV 803. In 1988, the 3 vessels were sold to DMS. As part of the company's role in providing maritime support for the RAN, Tailor was assigned as a tender to HMAS Creswell in Western Australia. Tailor was still active with DMS as of 2012. In 2018, TRV Tailor was decommissioned and put up for sale to the public.